Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and to today's Tuesday trainings. Every Tuesday all summer long, I have been sharing tips, ideas, and tutorials on how to start, grow, and manage your own successful Avon business. On top of that, I also share my beauty tips and tricks in makeup and skincare that I've learned along the way on Mondays and Fridays. If any of these sound like something you're interested in, I recommend subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And as always, I greatly appreciate it if you do like this video to like, comment, or share. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Jen Antunes. I've been an Avon independent sales representative since 2015 and since then built a successful online business. Because of my success in sales online, I've earned multiple trips with Avon, including a trip for two and the current incentive trip to the Dominican Republic. So far in 2020, I've reached Honor Society and Gold Ambassador with customers and team members all across the U.S. Today, we're going to talk about how you can create a more personalized business through customer service. I personally feel that this is the most important thing you can do to have a successful business, no matter what business you have. This is what is going to separate you from the rest and have you be in it for the long haul. When it comes to providing personalized service, when you first start out, it can be easy to do so. But as your business grows, or if your business is primarily online, you may feel like it is impossible or hard to do so. That is why I'm here. I'm going to share with you tips and ideas that have worked for me to grow and, most importantly, keep customers shopping with me, even though I may be across the country. Now, what is customer service? According to the 2018 Business Dictionary, the definition of customer service is all interactions between a customer and a product provider at the time of sale and thereafter. Customer service adds value to a product and builds enduring relationship. With that, there are 6 characteristics you want to always keep at the forefront of your mind when it comes to customer service. Reliability. Can customers rely on you? Competence. Do you know what you are selling? Responsiveness. Are you getting back to customers in a timely manner? Courtesy. Are you being professional? Credibility. Can customers trust you? And my favorite word, consistency. Are you practicing what you preach? Now, before we continue, I do want to let you know that I'm going to be referencing my 2 customer service blogs in today's video. For further information, I recommend checking them out after watching this video. I'm going to provide the link to both these blogs in the description box below. Now, when working with your customers, you want to make sure to practice these tips. In doing so, you are going to separate yourself from the rest, and you are going to create a business that has loyal customers. Having loyal customers is what is going to ensure you are in it for the long haul. These are the customers you want to ensure you provide the best customer service possible. When they have a great experience, they will be happy to refer and recommend you to others. They will be even happier to continue to shop with you for years to come. The first thing is you must always be honest. Being honest is going to establish trust. It's going to let customers know they can rely on you to be straightforward and, lack of a better word, not bullshit them. Next, your personality is going to be what draws your customers in. Remember, customers want to feel a connection with those they do business with. In order to create a connection, you need to show off who you are. What are your interests? What do you enjoy doing? Don't be afraid to share these parts of you, even on your social media pages. Make sure your customers can easily contact you in case they have a question or an issue with their order. Also, make sure customers know how and when to contact you. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that you need to be available 24/7. That is just unrealistic. What you can do is create business hours of when customers can contact you. Now, at the end of all of my emails, I let customers know that I will get back to them in 24 to 48 business hours. And in my email signature, it has all the ways they can contact me. Just so you know, business hours are considered to be Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. But you do what is best for you. Just make sure your customers know. Now, other ways you can let customers know your business hours and how to contact you is through your Facebook business page. Or you can put that information in your introduction on your online store. Now, I strongly believe in expressing appreciation to your customers. Without them, you would not have your business. Without them, you would not be able to accomplish your goals. So, how can you show appreciation? Well, you could say thank you. You could say it to them when you drop off the order, or you can send a thank you email when an online order is placed. You could show your customers how much you appreciate them through customer appreciation events or loyal customer programs. Lastly, make sure customers are up to date on what is going on with your business and provide customers value by providing them tips, how-tos, tutorials, product guides, product reviews. Give customers information that will help them utilize their favorite Avon products. There's a variety of ways you can provide your customers information. I recommend choosing at least one way to do so. You can have a blog or a YouTube channel. You can do so on social media. You can offer skincare consultation or makeup consultation. You can send an email X amount of times a month focusing on a product or a product type. Do what works for you and your business. The way I see it, after showing off your personality, I think this is number 2 and what is going to separate you from the rest. Providing value to customers is going to help you hit reliability, competence, credibility, and consistency. That's what? 4 out of the 6 customer service traits? Now, no matter how great you are with all that I've discussed today, you're going to run into what we call difficult customer every now and again. I absolutely love this image because this is exactly what I recommend to my team when it comes to working with a customer who's complaining about something. Whether we see it as a legitimate complaint or not, you should follow these 6 steps. Have a positive attitude. Let your customers vent their feelings in what is going on. Be empathetic to what your customer is going through. Express that you understand where they're coming from. Be a problem solver and come up with a solution that you both can agree on. Now, I do want to emphasize that you're not going to be able to please everyone. I mean, you can do everything right, but for whatever reason, you may come across a customer that just does not want to come up with a solution or accept any solutions you may offer. All you could do is your best and learn from the experience. Okay, the last thing I want to go over today is customer programs. These are going to be things you offer your customers to show your appreciation and provide ways for them to save money. Now, I've offered a variety of customer programs throughout my 5 years in business, and I'm about to share with you a lot of ideas that you can implement into your business. Now, I want to make sure you understand that I am not stating you need to offer all of these ideas. No matter how big your business is, that's not going to be realistic nor effective. Now, if any of these ideas are something you would like to do, then pick out 1 or 2 programs you can offer and focus on them. And remember, when choosing, make sure to keep in mind what's going to fit in your business, and more importantly, what will your customers love to take advantage of? So let's get started. There's order reward programs like doing a monthly raffle or giving a free Avon product when a customer places a qualifying order. Showing your appreciation through giving a special discount during the holiday season, having a birthday club, lipstick club, or a VIP club. providing ways for customers to learn more about our amazing products through a sample club, or having a themed Facebook party that focuses on certain products. Reward customers who refer new customers to you through a refer a friend promotional offer, or giving a discount to a friend or family member who shares their brochure at work and gets you their orders and payments. Give a gift basket or a gift certificate to anyone who does a fundraiser with you. As you can see, there are a variety of ways you can make your customers' experience be amazing and create an atmosphere where they won't want to go anywhere else. Now, that's it for today. I know I went over a lot, but that's because I strongly believe in customer service and it being the key to your success. So I wanted to make sure that you have everything you need to provide the best service possible. Now, don't forget to go check out my blogs at Journey of an Avon Mom for more tips, information, and ideas on customer service. Remember, I'm going to put the link to both of these blogs in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, or share. Now, if there's anything I went over today that you would like me to go into more in depth, please let me know in the comments below. Also, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye!